Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by our poster. I'm going to be presenting a very brief summary of our study looking at the association between maternal thyroid hormone levels and iodine status in pregnancy with child IQ. So we know that maternal thyroid hormones are critical for fetal growth and brain development, and that maternal thyroid dysfunction in pregnancy resulting from exposure to environmental chemicals or insufficient iodine intake, for instance, can have adverse effects on children's neurodevelopment, including lowered IQ. And so the main purpose of our study was really to investigate whether maternal thyroid hormone levels and iodine status in pregnancy are associated with child full-scale IQ in Canadian pregnant women and their children. So to do this, we used data from 506 mother-child pairs enrolled in the MyREC cohort study. And we were interested in looking at mothers' thyroid-stimulating hormone, free thyroxine, and total thyroxine levels measured in trimester 1 blood plasma samples, as well as their urinary iodine concentration, which was estimated from 2 spot urine samples collected in trimesters 1 and 2, dilution adjusted, and then averaged. And then our main outcome measure here was child full-scale IQ, or FSIQ, which was assessed at 3 to 4 years of age using the Wechsler Preschool and Primary Scale of Intelligence. And then our main analyses consisted of testing linear and nonlinear associations of our maternal thyroid hormone levels and iodine status with child FSIQ, controlling for a number of relevant covariates, and then we also tested for sex-specific effects in each of our models. So then moving to our results, in the table here we have our general kind of descriptive statistics, for mothers and their children. So in the total sample on the far left, and then we've broken it down by iodine status on the right here, so looking at low, adequate, and high. But the main result we really want to highlight here is this sex-specific effect in our association between maternal TSH and children's FSIQ scores. So specifically, we found that in male children, there was an inverted U-shaped association between gestational TSH and children's FSIQ. So at both low and high levels of maternal TSH, we found lower FSIQ scores at that 3 to 4 age mark. In contrast to that, we found no evidence of a significant association with any of our other predictors, and also no evidence of sex-specific effects in those models. So lastly, moving on to our conclusions, we found that abnormal maternal TSH in pregnancy may have sex-specific adverse effects on child IQ, but the mechanisms underlying this association aren't particularly clear. And so we really need more research to understand why maternal thyroid dysfunction in pregnancy may have adverse effects on cognitive abilities among male and not female offspring. And then lastly, here we found that maternal iodine status in pregnancy was not associated with children's intelligence scores, and this may be because the MyREC cohort was recently found to be an iodine sufficient sample. So that's all I have time for. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. My email is listed here as well. Thanks very much.